is it? Who is there? Jolean Thorton, that's who! Hey y'all, Jolean Thorton here, and welcome back to my show, Jolean Does It. And guess what, y'all? We are celebrating Mardi Gras, and it's a great holiday because all you do is wear masks and drink and shit like that. It's a lot of fun. Anywho, I did a little research. So I'm going to give you a couple facts first about my Mardi Gras. Alright, so I know it began as a pagan festival, like most religion celebrations do here in our U.S. And then we chop them down, blend them up, and we say, oh, this is how we celebrate them as Americans. Anyway, yeah, it began as a pagan festival back in Europe. Just so you know, it generates over $840 million annually, this celebration. And it's like, so why do we got homeless people on the street? Why are we, are so many people losing their houses? It's because we waste our money on shit like this. But it's fun. Anywho, so it's Fat Tuesday. So happy Fat Tuesday. It's the day before Lent. And so for Lent, I guess that starts the whole 46 days of Easter. And how this all started was the whole, you know, back, before Christian, like Jesus Christ when he was born, and then they do the 12 days of Christmas, but they're actually from the 25th to January 6th, and then from January 6th on. And it's a bunch of hoopla, blah, blah, blah. If you want to look it up, check it out. It's interesting to see how it's all done, the religion, and how it's done over the years. But yeah, this started back in Europe, and some dude landed in 1969. He set up camp, and it was March 3rd, and that's when he landed, I guess down in Louisiana or somewhere down there, Mardi Gras Day or whatever, and that's when it was discovered, and they just landed, like the land and shit like that. And ever since then, over the next 100, 150 years, they blah, 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 whatever, different things happened, different people came, and 1837 was the first masked parade, although, you know, it really originally began in Europe as a pagan thing where they were already wearing masks and celebrating and creating a bunch of hoopla and drinking. Cheers! The one last thing I want to say about it is the purple, green, and gold colors came from when this Russian king came in, I don't know, in the 1800s, maybe 1800s, whatever, and he came looking after this actress that he liked. And, so when he left, they celebrated the colors. That's where the purple, green, and gold came from. They represent justice, fidelity, and power. And I'm all about justice. Hang 'em! And I'm all about fidelity. No more babies! And I'm all about power! Because I love He-Man. She-Ra. By the power of Grayskull! Anywho's, the other whole thing about all this shit is drinking, y'all. Drinking. Getting drunk, going out, celebrating on Bourbon Street, but I can't be down on Bourbon Street, but I got my little, like, things on. Right there, you can see my cleaver. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is say how quick it takes me. Oh, that's now. To drink this chug of beer. Are you ready? Alright. Here we go. Don't try this at home. Oh! Son of a bitch, that's cold. one. Threw up a little bit. So, be happy, be safe. Happy Mardi Gras, and good luck to y'all. This is Jolean Thorton saying thank you for joining me for my show, Jolean Does It. And until next time, bye for now. Let me get a couple of them. Like 3. All 3 colors. I haven't had 3 in my mouth in a bad week in Tijuana. Don't ask. Kids, get mama ready!